My name is Maushami Chetty. I'm an attorney for entrepreneurs. So I provide affordable, ascertainable, fixed value legal services for entrepreneurs. So I started my first business in 2012. And so I have a little bit of an understanding of what small businesses need and what entrepreneurs need. And often lawyers are really at odds with small business, or they don't understand them. So having started a business or law firm actually in 2014, focusing on creating legal services the way entrepreneurs wanted to buy them. So you want to know how much something costs. You want to know what you're getting in advance. And you really want to get value, and you want someone to hold your hand through that process. So I just thought about what would I want and providing the service in that way. So I have two middle names, which, like in Catholicism are supposed to be secret. Mm-hmm. In Hinduism, you get a name based on your horoscope being read at birth. So there's an alphabet or a phonetic sound that you should be named for so that your life is lucky and prosperous. So mine was M, or the phonetic version of that. And my name is a Bengali name, nothing to do with any of my cultures, and it means changing seasons or spring. So what you had said earlier about not realizing how the meanings of your name manifest in your life, I actually had on my business cards, we used to choose a drink as symbols, and mine was the turning wheel, so for transformation or continuous change. And I think that is definitely something in my life. Like, I'm a person who it doesn't matter what happens, I will get up and I will make a plan and I'll fix it and I'll keep evolving. So it's fascinating that you said that, because I think it probably is true. My business name is AARYA Legal. I started out wanting a name with strong female connotations. So actually the first name that I was thinking about was Mojaji. And I bantered it around with a few friends. Some people thought it's a bit difficult to say. Some people thought it might be offensive to people who are actually petty and might, think that I'm appropriating their name, even though I don't really believe in that. But it was a strong female name, and it spoke of rainmaking, which in law is important. It's someone who sells and produces value. So I thought about it for a while, and I thought I need another strong female name, and I came up with AARYA. So AARYA has a few layers of meaning. The first is it's the Hindu goddess of the harvest and the protector of women. So something interesting about Hinduism is we have like a yin and yang kind of energy. Shakti is the female energy, but unlike the way you think about female energy in Western cultures, female energy in Hinduism is the aggressive energy. It's the active energy. Nothing happens in the universe without female energy. It's the productive energy. So if you look at sort of Hindu goddesses, they're all if you're looking for someone to protect you, it's a Hindu goddess, which I think makes sense in how we really think about women. Women are not passive or meek. We're protectors, we are providers. So I like the idea of the goddess of the harvest, because it means that I'm going to create bounty. So that's part of the journey I want to walk with entrepreneurs, is how do we grow your business to what you need it to be? I also provide BE services, so it was important to me to have something that spoke about women and about brown people in particular, and producing a bounty. So protective women and a harvest. When I Googled it, I found out that AARYA spelled differently also means lioness in Hebrew, which I thought was great, because I said it's just multiple layers of very strong female sort of connotations. Well, I've been running this business for 1 year. I sold my shares in the law firm I was running and decided to run a consultancy, and to focus really on like a 360-degree transformation, whether it's getting you legally structured, getting your BE right, and dealing with unconscious biases, etc. in your business. So definitely, if you look at the people employed in the business, we're all Black women. And even though I've started the business 1 year ago, certainly I think that there has been a harvest in a sense. I'm unhappy about the provisional tax, let's put it that way. But it's been good. There's been rainmaking, there's been traction, and I think it certainly speaks to the values of the business in creating true value for women of color in South Africa.